Good afternoon. Hi.
Good afternoon. We are about to get new rims and tires, or wheels and tires, or however
For our
you say it.
truck.
Yeah, we're finally upgrading to 35s and getting 17-inch rims. So we got a little bit more rubber for the trails, a little bit softer rides and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And here we are. We're at Fast Tire and Wheel.
Oh, so this is where we are going.
Yeah, we've done. Well, I've done a lot of business here for many years.
We got our tires before here too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Which, this one here? Okay.
That one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We went from what, 2-inch leveling kit and 33s, and then we went to a 3.5-inch lift kit, stuck with a 33s, and then now we're getting 35s. Finally gotten different rims.
Mm-hmm.
So really nice wheel.
It looks sexy.
I was telling them, I feel like getting something from my car.
Yeah.
Same design.
So what is he doing, baby?
That's a tire balance machine. So he's going to balance the rims and tire, the wheel and tire,
Mm-hmm.
make sure they're fully balanced. And what it is going to add weights to where it needs to be weighted. I want to give a huge shout out to Hanford Fast Tires and Wheels. The crew over there, Alfredo Senior, Alfredo Junior, Isabel, and Zach. They did a fantastic job like always. So if you are near Hanford, California, and you need some set of wheels or tires or alignment, you should check them out. They give fantastic service, fantastic prices, and they're really quick. Well, fast is in their title, so it's kind of like
very friendly.
It's kind of like a pit crew when you drive in. They'll definitely get service your vehicle the way you want it. So thank you again, Hanford Fast Tire and Wheels, for a phenomenal job. Tires are great. The wheels are great. So couldn't ask for a better set. So thank you for watching. We appreciate every support we get. And until then, God bless and thank you. Ciao.